Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing your workspace and importing media so you can act immediately. Open a new project, set frame rate and aspect ratio, then import clips, audio, and images into organized bins. Once done, skim each clip to mark usable sections with simple in/out points so timeline work is faster. Make sure to rename critical files and back up the project file. This prevents confusion and saves time when you move to editing. Next, assemble the rough cut by dragging chosen clips onto the timeline and trimming aggressively to tighten pacing. Use the ripple and roll edits to preserve sync, then layer B-roll and cutaways to hide cuts and add context. Once the sequence flows, balance audio with clip gain and a limiter, and apply primary color correction for consistent exposure and white balance. Make sure to use keyframes for smooth motion and gradual effect changes, so edits feel natural rather than abrupt. Finally, set export parameters that match your delivery platform and quality needs. Choose codec, resolution, and bitrate deliberately, and enable hardware encoding if available. Export a short test clip to confirm audio sync, color, and playback smoothness, then render the full video once satisfied. If export fails or file glitches, first clear media cache and restart the app. If that doesn't fix it, update the editor or lower bitrate and retry. This resolves most common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.